Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change country on Zalando. The first thing I'd like you to do is to begin by launching the Zalando app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If you do not have one, go ahead and take a moment to create it because it's pretty much quick and easy. So once you head over to the home page, which is here, you're going to see this fantastic shopping interface that makes shopping really fun and exciting. So from the home page, tap on the account icon that is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. It used to be at the bottom right corner, but the interface has changed. So click on that. This will take you to your personal account dashboard, which you have in here. Within your accounts menu, go ahead and scroll down till you find app settings. Now here you have a couple of options. You have Zalando Plus, you have orders, you have returns, you have loyalty programs, personal details, gift cards, app settings, you sell boxes, fashion, beauty, your sizes, your brands, your creators, about us, and down to recommendation preferences. So go ahead and click on app settings and that takes you to this window. This section allows you to customize various aspects of the app to suit your preferences. So in the app settings, go ahead and look for the country option. It is just the first option above, it's slightly above the language setting. So go ahead and click on that country. Mine is telling me Germany, which is being all right. So this is Germany. So tap on the country, and once you do that, browse through the list and tap on the country that you wish to switch to. Once you change the country, the app will then update its interface to reflect your chosen country, including language, currency, and available products. So some changes might require the app to restart. If prompted, confirm the restart to apply the new country settings. I'd like you to note the setting features, products, or promotions may vary by country. Ensure that your account details such as shipping address and payment methods align with the selected country. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you begin to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.